Hi everyone, welcome back to the C++ series. These are two sections of code if-else statements, where only one or another run depending on the condition. Now, it provides a way to handle multiple outcomes based on a single condition. And the syntax, well, if it's true, it's gonna run the first statement or block of code. If it is false, it's gonna run the second statement in the else block of code. Let's code a little bit. Instead, now we know that if else statement is a conditional statement that allows you to execute one block of code if a specific condition is true and another block of code if the condition is false. Okay, it provides a way to handle multiple outcomes based on a single condition. Now let's take a look for a syntax. If we got here inside an expression or a condition, okay, fine. Then we just simply inside the curly braces we execute a block of code or a statement. Okay, this is the code to execute if the condition is true or the expression inside here. But we're going to see it in a moment. Fine. This is the first block of code. Now we put that else. Okay. Now, on the contrary, this code is gonna execute code to execute if the condition above is false. As simple as that. We can have multiple if, or we can have an if and else statement, and we're going to see the difference in a moment. Now let's go for an example. We got here we can define a variable. Let's say int x this way is equal to 5, for example. Enter, sorry, x. Now let's say that equals is greater than 0. It's a, for example, it's a positive number. If s, in fact, it is greater than 0, we just print in a console say out, okay, like x is a positive number, as simple as that. This way, okay, and y. Fine. Now, otherwise, if this condition is false, we're going to execute the following. See out is not positive, or in this case, the negative. Fine. Okay. Now, this way, we need to return 0. Okay. Let's check it out here. We declare a variable. We check here the condition. Okay. And we execute this code here. And else we execute this code here. Okay, listen, save it, Control F5. Let's see, x is a positive number. Okay, let's close the window. Now, what if we got here this for this condition to be false, to print this message? Click Control F5, save it first. X is not positive. Fine.